Hi everyone, welcome to Virtuous Eunice's kitchen. Today I'm going to show you how I make garlic shrimp. But guys, I bought this shrimp. I thought it's already cleaned, but it's not. See, they just cut the back and leave the shell, you see, on it, you see. So guys, when you buy your shrimp, make sure you check it well, because this skin is not good to eat. Okay, then when you open it like this, they cut the if you look at it, they cut the back and they left the belly. You see this long line in the belly? Take a knife and pick it out. Okay, so you see what I did? I already picked these ones out. You see, pick them out. They are not good to eat. They are poisonous, sweetheart. Take it out. It kills. It's supposed to come out of the belly. I'm sorry, because I'm holding the camera. I would have shown you how I pick out the belly. Okay, but because I'm the one doing the video and holding the camera, that's why. So you see, they just slice the back instead of the stomach. So this black thing you are seeing, make sure you pick it out of the stomach. It's not good to eat. It can kill. This is the poisonous side of shrimp. Okay, guys, if you take a look at this dish, you will see some black. Those are the things I remove from the belly that I told you it's not good to eat. It's poisonous. That's why some people eat it and they thought they are allergic to shrimp. No, some of them are not allergic to shrimp, but maybe they ate the shrimp with this belly. Okay, it can kill, guys. So you see how I clean it? I remove all those things. It's like veins inside the belly of the shrimp. Okay, once you dip your knife, it brings it out. Okay, so this is the final cleaning of it. Yes, guys. Hey guys, we are continuing now with the shrimp. Okay, so I'm going to do something with this shrimp right now. I'm gonna use the Jamaican style, actually. So it's like garlic curry shrimp. Okay, so I put my curry and I have the Jamaican seasoning. Yeah, Jamaican jug seasoning. I'm putting some. It's salty, not too salty. Okay, then mixing. Okay, so you see. Okay, I'm putting some adebo seasoning for salt. Okay, and mix it. Okay, so guys, I'm gonna put some oil in the pot, just a little bit. Okay, allow it to get hot. Okay, so the shrimp is all seasoning now. Okay, guys, let me put a little bit more of seasoning on. Salt, adebo seasoning. Okay, guys, so okay, the pot is already hot. Okay, so I'm putting my shrimp. Okay, you know, shrimp is very easy to cook. You don't want your shrimp to be too tough. Okay, as soon as it starts turning pink, flip it over and it's ready. Okay guys, so guys, if you look on that side, I have a little mortar where I pound my garlic, and in the other container I have some bell pepper. In the other container I have some onions, and in the far end there I have some, it's a different species of carrots, different colors. It's like baby carrots but with different colors, already chopped. And I have some chicken stock there that I'm going to use. Okay, so you see, so you have to flip them all over because you don't want your shrimp to overcook. Okay, make sure you flip all of them over. You don't want to undercook your shrimp or overcook. Okay, so as you see now, I'm flipping them over for the other side to turn pink, guys. So this shrimp is going to my niece too. Okay, I just want to spoil her today. Gina Eileen. She also have a YouTube channel. If you type Gina, you will see her. Gina Eileen. Okay, so I got all of them flipped over. Okay. Okay, so you see? Okay guys. So okay guys, see? Did you see the transformation? Okay. Did you see the transformation? So I'm going to take it out now from the fire. Okay. Okay. So right now, I'm going to put my butter. Okay. Okay. Butter now. This is my garlic. I decided to use fresh garlic because I really want the garlic to be strong there. Okay, so I put my garlic and my onions, my chopped onions. Okay. Okay guys, smells so good. Okay, this is my seasoning. It smells so good. Smells so good, so good, so good. Okay, guys. I'm gonna put a little bit of my stock water now. Okay, so I'm putting in the remaining water. Okay, guys. So I'm gonna put just a little bit of the curry again, okay? Okay, guys, so I'm putting in my bell pepper and I'm putting in the shrimp now, okay? I'm going to put a little bit of water in this bowl. There's some goodness in this container. So I'm going to rinse it with a little bit of water and put inside. Okay. I think everything is okay. Ooh, looks so good and smells so good. Okay, just for like 10 minutes, 5 minutes. Okay, see the carrot I'm telling you about? It's already pre-cooked, so I'm just going to throw it inside. Okay. Oh, sure. Okay. Tastes so good. See, guys. So it's ready now. It's ready. It's ready. It looks so good. Thanks for watching, guys. Please subscribe, like, and share. As you do, may God bless you. Bye.